$600,000, 800 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. This is the 2027 Brabus G800, and it's about to change how you think about luxury SUVs forever. Welcome back to Motor Zenthx, and today we're diving deep into one of the most brutal, most exclusive SUVs money can buy. If you thought the regular G-Wagon was intimidating, wait until you see what German tuning legends at Brabus have done to it. Let's get right into it. This blacked-out beast starts life as a Mercedes-AMG G63, but Brabus doesn't just tune it. They completely reimagine it. The exterior instantly commands attention with a widened carbon fiber body kit, aggressive front fascia, massive air intakes, and a hood dominated by bold scoops that hint at the power sitting underneath. The all-black finish gives this G-Class a stealthy, almost sinister presence, while the exclusive Brabus wheels and staggered tire setup make it look like it's ready to devour the road. Every panel line, every vent, every badge on this SUV screams exclusivity. This isn't something you'll see parked at your local mall. Step inside, and the driver's cabin feels less like an SUV and more like a private jet cockpit. Brabus wraps nearly every surface in hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim, with custom illuminated door sills and a redesigned center console housing the latest Mercedes M-Box system. The steering wheel, pedals, and shift paddles all carry Brabus branding, reminding you that everything here has been meticulously reworked. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin, and the seats offer both massage and ventilation functions, wrapping the driver in a level of comfort that rivals cars costing twice as much. Move to the rear cabin, and the luxury only intensifies. Passengers get individually reclining seats, extra legroom, and the same premium leather and carbon fiber theme carried throughout. A Burmester surround sound system fills the cabin with concert-level audio, while rear passengers can control their own climate and lighting settings independently. Every stitch, every material choice feels deliberate. This is a cabin built for people who expect nothing less than perfection, whether they're driving or being driven. Now let's talk about what really sets this apart, the power. Brabus takes the G63's twin-turbo, 4.0-liter V8 and completely reworks it with their Power Extra Performance package. The result is a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower and roughly 38 pound-feet of torque. A massive jump over the standard G63's already impressive 577 horsepower. That kind of power lets this 2.5-ton SUV rocket from 0 to 60 in around 4 seconds flat, numbers that would embarrass plenty of sports cars. Power runs through Mercedes' proven 9-speed, automatic transmission and full-time all-wheel drive, meaning this beast doesn't just look aggressive, it backs it up with real certified performance, all while retaining the G-Class's legendary off-road hardware underneath. So what does all this cost? Buckle up, because Brabus builds like this aren't cheap. Depending on configuration, paint, and interior specification, a Brabus G800 typically starts north of $400,000, with fully loaded, limited edition builds pushing past $600,000. That's more than 5 times the price of a standard G63, now but for the exclusivity, the craftsmanship, and the sheer presence this vehicle commands. Buyers clearly feel it's worth every penny. At the end of the day, the 2027 Brabus G800 isn't just a modified G-Wagon, it's a statement. It takes everything people already love about the G-Class and cranks it up to a level that few other vehicles on the planet can match. Whether you're drawn in by the outrageous power figures, the handcrafted interior, or simply the exclusivity of owning one of the most sought-after SUVs in the world, this black beauty delivers on every front. Thanks for watching this review here on Motor Zenthx. We'll see you in the next one.